Hey there, young explorers! Welcome to an exciting adventure that will take you on a journey around the world without leaving the comfort of your seat. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of geography with a super fun geography quiz designed just for you, our amazing kids. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
What is the capital of Sweden? A. Stockholm. B. Gothenburg. C. Uppsala. D. Malmö. The right answer is Stockholm. What is the capital of Nigeria? A. Lagos. B. Abuja. C. Kano. D. Ibadan. The right answer is B. Abuja. What is the capital of Thailand? A. Pattaya. B. Bangkok. C. Chiang Mai. D. Phuket. The right answer is B. Bangkok. What is the capital of Kenya? A. Kisumu. B. Nakuru. C. Mombasa. D. Nairobi. The right answer is D. Nairobi. What is the capital of Switzerland? A. Zurich. B. Lausanne. C. Bern. D. Geneva. The right answer is C. Bern. What is the capital of Pakistan? A. Karachi. B. Lahore. C. Islamabad. D. Faisalabad. The right answer is C. Islamabad. What is the capital of New Zealand? A. Auckland. B. Wellington. C. Christchurch. D. Queenstown. The right answer is B. Wellington. What is the capital of Portugal? A. Porto. B. Faro. C. Coimbra. D. Lisbon. The right answer is D. Lisbon. What is the capital of Indonesia? A. Surabaya. B. Jakarta. C. Medan. D. Bandung. The right answer is B. Jakarta. What is the capital of Vietnam? A. Hanoi. B. Ho Chi Minh City. C. Da Nang. D. Nha Trang. The right answer is A. Hanoi.
Do you know? In this video, you need not worry about keeping your eyes glued to the screen. Just listen closely and let your imagination do the rest. Explore at your own pace with playback speed options. Whether you're cruising through facts or taking it slow, the adventure is all yours.
What is the capital of Chile? A. Concepción. B. Valparaíso. C. Antofagasta. D. Santiago. The right answer is D. Santiago. What is the capital of Netherlands? A. Amsterdam. B. Rotterdam. C. Utrecht. D. The Hague. The right answer is A. Amsterdam. What is the capital of Belgium? A. Antwerp. B. Ghent. C. Brussels. D. Bruges. The right answer is C. Brussels. What is the capital of Norway? A. Oslo. B. Bergen. C. Stavanger. D. Trondheim. The right answer is A. Oslo. What is the capital of Philippines? A. Cebu. B. Quezon City. C. Davao. D. Manila. The right answer is D. Manila. What is the capital of Iran? A. Isfahan. B. Mashhad. C. Tehran. D. Shiraz. The right answer is C. Tehran. What is the capital of Malaysia? A. Kuala Lumpur. B. Penang. C. Johor Bahru. D. Ipoh. The right answer is A. Kuala Lumpur. What is the capital of Poland? A. Kraków. B. Łódź. C. Wrocław. D. Warsaw. The right answer is D. Warsaw. What is the capital of Ukraine? A. Kharkiv. B. Kyiv. C. Odessa. D. Lviv. The right answer is B. Kiev. What is the capital of Peru? A. Trujillo. B. Cusco. C. Arequipa. D. Lima. The right answer is D. Lima.
Do you know? You can immerse yourself in this fun-filled, amazing geography quiz, guided by colorful maps for easy reference. Plus, interactive arrows and markers make spotting countries and capitals a piece of cake.
What is the capital of Hungary? A. Budapest. B. Debrecen. C. Szeged. D. Miskolc. The right answer is A. Budapest. What is the capital of Romania? A. Cluj-Napoca. B. Timișoara. C. Iași. D. Bucharest. The right answer is D. Bucharest. What is the capital of Czech Republic? A. Brno. B. Ostrava. C. Plzeň. D. Prague. The right answer is D. Prague. What is the capital of Denmark? A. Aarhus. B. Odense. C. Copenhagen. D. Aalborg. The right answer is C. Copenhagen. What is the capital of Finland? A. Oulu. B. Turku. C. Helsinki. D. Tampere. The right answer is C. Helsinki.
We hope you enjoyed testing your geographical knowledge and discovering the wonders of our planet. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting quizzes, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our global adventures. Thank you.